this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I film videos about beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, color blindness, plus size fashion, anything and everything when I remember and I have time. So today I'm going to do a Glossybox unboxing. I have subscribed to Glossybox. The first subscription was, when you subscribe for the first time, it was about £6 or something, 5 or 6. Now it is 13. I have been subscribed to the Glossybox for 3 months now. I'm not going to show you the past 2 boxes. I'm going to show you this one, and I'm just going to tell you what I think about the whole process. And I have a link which you can click on if you're interested to subscribe. It's just a referral. I don't know what happens. I don't think I make any money out of it, but we'll see. So if you click, you get something. I don't know what. I'll put it in the description box if I figure out what you do get, what happens. You don't have to click on the link. You can just type Glossybox and go and order it yourself. But if you do click on the link, thanks. We don't know what happens. We shall see. Anyway, I've been blabbing for a long time. Get your coffee. This video has to be 10 minutes long because that's how much time I have left on my camera. So let's start. They always come in. I've seen this. I'm not going to act as if, oh, this is so amazing. I've seen what's in it, so it's not going to be a fake unboxing. So they all come in boxes. This month had Angel Box and Devil Box. I got the Angel because I'm an angel, and it says an angel's beauty never fades. These are very sturdy boxes. I think this box looks amazing. I find it very funny when YouTubers say, "Oh, I love the packaging and blah 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 blah." I do love this packaging, so. Careful what you say. Careful what you say, guys. So I'm going to use this at work. So, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And now, what do you get? You get, now, I'm going to do a giveaway, not in this video, probably in the next Glossybox video, because there are things that I'm not going to use. So I'm going to put them in the I'm going to put them in the giveaway next time I film the Glossybox. So make sure you're subscribed, maybe. So this is definitely going to go in the giveaway because I don't use eyeshadows. So this is the STYL. I don't even know. STYL. I'm taking off my glasses, guys. I can't see. Eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to destroy it because it's going to go in the giveaway. I have the Angel eyeshadow palette. This is what the colors look like, if you can see. I don't know if you can. And this retails for £15. So that's something that's going to go in the giveaway for the next Glossybox unboxing. And then this I'm going to use. It's a Kebela Professional Illuminating Holographic Peel Off Mask. And it is supposed to, it's got sodium something. Violet extract and jasmine extract. You put it on your face for 20 minutes, and then when you take it off, your skin is supposed to look really nourished and moisturized. So maybe I'll film a vlog where I'm trying this on because I really wonder what this is going to be like. This costs $2.50. I'm going to keep that. I'm also going to keep this random thing, which is a luxury white coffee from White Hot Chocolate from Wittard. And the packaging is so nice. Look, so pretty. Oh, I didn't know it was a skull. Now I do. So, yeah, really nice. Going to try this and see if I like it. Then I'm going to go and get the coffee. There is also a Bubble Angel Dust Foaming Bath Powder. Glossybox. I'm definitely going to use this. I'm going to have a nice bath and relax, and yeah, so that's good. Another thing I am going to keep this because I have swatched it. So this is the Lord and Berry eye pencil, lip pencil. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's really, really, really pale. I don't know if you could even see this. I'll probably give this to my niece so she can play when she... Yeah, because I don't use such pale lipsticks, as you can see. My lipsticks are very dark. So, yeah, that's not going to go in the giveaway. This is going to go in the giveaway. I have not swiped this. I have not swiped it. I have not swatched it. It's an eye diviner crayon liner in black. It's MCO Beauty. I have no idea what this brand is, but according to this, it retails for £15. So already 2 of the things that I'm giving away are worth £30. Not in this video, next Glossybox. So probably sometime in November. So yeah, and these are the things you get. There's also lots of scrap paper and tissue paper and a ribbon and the bottom of the box. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. Out of these 6 things, I am going to keep the 4 things. I'm going to give these away because I don't use eyeshadows or eyeliner. So yeah, that's what's in the Glossybox. Now, what do I think? I like it. It's fun. I don't know if I'm going to keep the Glossybox subscription for a long time, because if I don't use all the products, then why? But it does introduce you to different things. So, for example, this was from an older box, which I am going to use today. It's the Eye Therapy Under Eye Collagen and Green Tea eye masks. You're supposed to put them on for 20 minutes, so I am. I'm going to see how these work, and if I like them, I'm going to end up buying it. So it is a good way for you to test things. It comes really quickly. You get an email saying that your order has dispatched, and then the box comes and you are excited and you open it and you see everything. So yeah, if you love beauty, maybe you should check out Glossybox. This is not sponsored or anything. They don't even know I exist. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have subscribed to any beauty boxes, which ones you have and what you think of them. And I'll see you in my next Glossybox unboxing, which will probably be with a giveaway. So thanks for watching. Bye guys.